Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can upload a reel on your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure that you are into your Facebook profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile image onto the top right of the screen and then see all profiles, and you can switch between your Facebook profile and Facebook page. So there are basically two methods that you can actually upload a reel to your Facebook page. The first one is actually clicking on this reel option here, and then you will just add the video. So we will add this video and let it just upload. So then you have to just click on next, and here you just got this one option which is called trim your video. Then you have to click on next, and then you can also add the details here, like you can caption your reel and enable remixing. What is remixing? Remixing is basically you are allowing other pupils to create reels with this is basically the duet, what you do on TikTok. It's basically like the duet on TikTok, okay? And then you just have to describe your reel, and then you can just publish your reel. So as you can see that we don't get any more options here. So I'm gonna show you another method. So the second method is the proper and professional method of posting reels on your Facebook page is actually clicking on this Meta Business Suite here, and after this page loads up, then you have to click on the content option here, and then you have to click on this create a reel option here, and then we just have to add the videos. So we will upload this video again. Now this is the proper and professional way of actually uploading a reel to your Facebook page, because we got a couple of options here. Like we can describe our reel, and we can also add hashtags to our reel, and we can also choose the thumbnail, and we can also upload a custom thumbnail. If we have any kind of custom thumbnail, we can also upload it, and if we want, we can add any collaborator here. And then if we click on this edit option here, we can actually add the music to our reel. We can actually crop the video, and we can actually trim the video, and we can actually enhance the video, okay? And the best part about that is we can actually share this video, and we can actually schedule these videos. Now here it is saying that a scheduled reel needs to be shared between 20 minutes and 75 days from when you create it. Like your reel should be shared between 20 minutes, means no shorter than 20 minutes and no longer than 75 days. So we can actually get the option to actually schedule our reels. So this is the best and the professional method of uploading a reel to your Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.